Hello, my name is Rimantas. I'm yoga teacher, teaching yoga since 2018. And today I would like to invite you to learn together one of the main yoga pranayamas, full yogic breathing. Full yogic breathing, it is one of the basic yoga pranayama that allows you to breathe fully with your lungs. Our lungs has three main parts. It is lower part, middle part and upper part. And usually modern person, he's breathing only in one of upper parts of our lungs. It is upper part or middle part, like chest part. And it is not very correct way of breathing. And modern people, mostly they don't know how to breathe correctly, because nobody are teaching them in school, in college, in university, and they just breathe just accidentally how it works for them. So when you learn how to breathe correctly, you get a lot of benefits. So what are the benefits of full yogic breathing? So your lungs start working much better. Your blood starts working much better. Your digestion becomes better. Then your lungs expands and gases makes better exchange inside. And also you learn how to relax very simple. There are one more benefit. Full yogic breathing allows you to calm down your mind, because breathing and mind work, it is connected. So those lessons, those practices, they will be arranged one time in a week in the evenings. It will take, I think, approximately from 45 to 60 minutes. It will be absolutely free classes, so you can register, you can come, you can learn together, and it will be at least like 2 or 3 classes. And there will be small part of theory, and there will be, of course, practical part when we will learn together how to breathe with your full lungs. I'm sure it will be very useful for you in your life. For example, if you practice yoga, or even if you don't practice yoga, for sure it will be very helpful and very useful. If you want to register, just write a message, private message for me, and I will send to you more information when it will be available. Thank you very much for watching. If you know somebody who would also like to learn how to learn full yogic breathing, share him this video and let's learn this very useful skill that will be very helpful for the whole life. Goodbye. See you in our practice.